So children, today I will start the new chapter, exponents, and this is your book. So in this exponents, okay, we will discuss some formulas here, and you have already studied exponents in the previous classes. So here again you will study this, but in this case you will study about the that is the rational numbers in this case. So here I have written the laws of exponents here in this case, the laws of exponents. So here these are the formulas here. You can see this formula here, and in this here A is a rational number, and m and n are two positive integers. Okay, here A is a rational number and m and n are the positive integers. M and n are the positive integers. You know, integers are like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 etc. So here we will have only the positive integers as the power or the exponents. So here the first formula is this here, and in this formula you have a to the power m or a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so and the next formula is here a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and this formula will be used when m is greater than n, and you will use this formula when n is greater than m, that is when when n is smaller or when n is bigger, n is bigger than m, then you will use this formula. Next this is the formula here, that is a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, and here the last one is a into b to the power m equal to a to the power m into b to the power m, and here a and b are the rational numbers. So these are the formulas which will be used in this exercise, and first is the recap exercise. So let us start the first question. Question number 1 is write the base and exponent of each of the following. Then base and the exponents. So what is the base and what is the exponent here? So the base, you are given question number 1 a, and in this the question is this -5 to the power 4, and in this you have to determine the base and the exponents. So what is the base and the exponents? So here base is this part here, that is in this case you will write base equal to -5, that is this is called the base and this is the exponent or power. That's it. So this is the answer. So in this way you will solve other questions, and here also is question number C. See here that -2 by 3 to the power 5. So here again base equal to -2 by 3 and exponent is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Next one is write the following in exponential form. Okay, when you solve the question, then first read the question properly and then according to the question you will give the answer. So here the question is write the following in exponential form, that is you have to write the given expression in this form. This is called the exponential form. Okay, so question number 2 here we will write in the exponential form. So you have here -4 into -4 into -4. Okay, now -4 is written 3 times. So here -4 will be the base and 3 will be the exponent. So this is the exponential form. Similarly, like question B, this is A and what is B? 25 by 81. So first it will be written as like 5 into 5 and 81 as 9 into 9. So it will be 5 square by 9 square, it is equal to 5 by 9 square. Okay, so this is the exponential form of this number. And similarly you can write C and D. So I am not going to solve this C and D, you will solve it yourself. And now question number 3. Simplify and express the following in exponential form. That is, we have to simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Okay. So keep in mind here that we have to write the answer in the exponential form. So the first one is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. So here is the question and we have to express this in the exponential form. So recall the formula here, that is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to what? A to the power m plus n. So use this formula to simplify this, that is 2 to the power 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 8. So we have to stop here because in the question you are given that you have to write the answer in the exponential form only. If you solve them, like if you find the value of this, then that will be wrong. So you have to stop it here. And the next one is question number C. I will do here minus 1 by 5 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 5 to the power 7. So again here the base is minus 1 by 5 and the power is here 2 and 7. So it will be minus 1 by 5 to the power 2 plus 7 is equal to minus 1 by 5 to the power 9. So this is the exponential form of this question. And now next question is simplify the following. So simplification, simplify the following and write in the exponential form. Again question number 4, simplify. So question number 4, simplify. 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 4. So here you will use the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n when m is greater than n. So here the value of m is greater than value of n. So it will be 3 to the power 8 minus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 4. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. But here in the question it is not written that write the answer in the exponential form. So here we can also find out the answer for this. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. So let us see what is the answer in this case, that is in which form it is expressed, because in the question it is not mentioned. The question is only simplify the following. So you can write this also 81 as the answer, right? Next is number B. So how will you solve number B? Number B here 4 by 9 square divided by 4 by 9 to the power 3. Now here observe the exponent here. Here in this the exponent is 2 and in this the exponent is 3 here. So 2 is less than 3. So for that the formula will be a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power n minus m. And you know that in this case n is bigger than m. So that is this is bigger than this. So we will use this formula here. So in this it will be 1 by 4 by 9 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 4 by 9 to the power 1, that is 1 by 4 by 9, and this will be equal to 9 by 4. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, 1 by 4 by 9 is equal to this. And if you have any difficulty in understanding this, then just see that this is the sign for division here. That is, you can just think of this as division, that is 1 divided by 4 by 9. Okay, then it will be 1 into 9 by 4. This is the process for division of the fractions. Okay, so if you have difficulty in simplifying the expressions like this, then you just convert like this and then find the answer. That will be very easy for you. Okay, so remember this. So here the answer is 9 by 4. So similarly you can solve other questions C and D. Now I will solve question number 5. In question number 5, simplify the following and write in the exponential form. So question number A, 9 square to the power 7. So here the formula is, remember the formula, a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m n. So use this formula. So it will be 9 to the power 2 into 7 is equal to 9 to the power 14. So this is the answer of this question. And similarly the question number B. In question number B, 6 by 11 to the power 0 and to the power 5. So it will be 6 by 11 to the power 0 into 5, and this will be equal to 6 by 11 to the power 0. And you will stop here. Okay, you will not find the answer for this, because actually you will study in the next exercise of this chapter that when the power is 0 the value is 1, but here you will not write the answer as 1, because in the question it is written that you will express the answer in the exponential form only. So leave the answer in this way. So this is the answer in the exponential form. So you will do the question C and D yourself again. Now question number 6. Question number 7, b to the power 4 into b to the power 5 to the power 3. So first simplify the inside of the bracket. So here in this the base is same, that is b here. So b to the power 4 plus 5 and to the power 3, and that will be b to the power 9 and then power 3, that will be b to the power 9 into 3, that is b to the power 27 is the answer. So in this way you will simplify, and you must learn the formula and then use the formula and solve all the questions. So next question is B. Eight into x4 into y 5 by 4 into x square into y cube here. So first cut it here, 4 to 8, so it is 2. Now here see the power of x is 4 and here 2, then use the formula, that is 2 into x to the power 4 minus 2 and into y to the power 5 minus 3. So it will be 2 to the 2 x to the power 2 and y to the power 2. This is the answer. Okay, here because you will use the formula, that is the for the division, like x4 by x square is same as x4 divided by x square, and it will be x4 minus 2 equal to x square. and similarly here y to the power 5 by y cube. So it will be y to the power 5 divided by y to the power 3 is equal to y to the power 5 minus 3 equal to y to the power 2. So that is why here you can write like this, and then you have this answer. The question number C. Question number C. It is here 7 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. Okay, it is here square. So the 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, you must remember that when the power is 0, then the value is 1. But 0 to the power 0 is not defined. Okay, you must have any number here, that is at the base must not be equal to 0. So that is, this is you can write here that 7 to the power 0 equal to 1, but 0 to the power 0 will not be equal to 1. Okay, this is not defined. So that is, at base there must be any non-zero real numbers or the rational numbers. Okay, that is, at the base there must be a non-zero number. So here in this case answer will be 1 plus 1 to the power 2, that is 2 square equal to 4. 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4 in this case. So, and question number D is similar here. 9 to the power 0, that is 1, and 4 to the power 0 is also 1. So 1 to the power 3 will be 1. So the next question number 8. Question number 8. So here find the values of x in each of the following. 2 to the power x equal to 32. 2 to the power x equal to 32 here. So in this we have to find the value of x. So what will you do here? 2 to the power x equal to here 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Okay, how? Then you can just prime factorize this. Now see here that is 32 is equal to what? 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 times here. That is why you can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. Now in this equation, here the base is 2. In this side the base is 2 here, and in this side also the base is 2. So base is same. So the power must be equal. That is why here this will imply that x equal to 5, because both sides the base are equal, then the power must be equal, only then both sides will be equal. So the value of x will be 5 in this case. 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 81. Again you will find the factors of 81, that is the prime factors of 81. So it will go by 3, 27, then 3, 9, then 3, then 3, and then 3, 1. So here 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 4. Now again on both sides the base is same, and therefore the power will be equal in this case, that is x plus 1 equal to 4. This implies x equal to 4 minus 1 or x equal to 3. So answer is x equal to 3 here. Okay, so now question number 9. Find the values of the following. So find the values of the following. Question number 9a. One by minus 5 by 3 square. Okay, we have to find the value of this. So if this is equal to 1 by, because minus 5 square will be 25 and 3 square will be 9. So this is here again, then you will write 1 divided by 25 by 9 is equal to 1 into 9 by 25 equal to 9 by 25 is the answer. Okay, so in this way you will find. And question number B, 9b. Question number 9b is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 to the power 1 to the power 2 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 1 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 2. So 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 25 is the answer. Okay. So now next question number 10. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. So question number A here. Last number is this, that is 10 number. Question number 4 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 0 to the power 0 here. So 1 plus 1 to the power 0 equal to 2 to the power 0 equal to 1 is the answer of this question. And the last one is 6 by 5 to the power 1 plus 2 by 5 whole square. So it will be 6 by 5 only, and this will be 4 by 25. So you will take LCM 25, then it will be 30 plus 4, that is 34 by 25 is the answer. Okay. So in this I did all the questions, and there are some questions which I did not solve. So again, you will solve all the questions at your home, okay? And you must learn the formula, laws of the exponents, and in this recap exercise, you will solve all these questions, and you will not leave. Whenever I say that all the questions you must solve all the questions, and you will not skip the questions, and you will not say that this question will come in the exam or that question will not come in the exam, okay? Just go through all the questions. So now I will wind up this class. In the next class, I will explain you the negative exponents and the laws of exponents with the integral powers, and also the scientific notations and exercise 2.1. Okay. So thank you for watching.